We all of us have a problem with the email app that we usually use, whether it may be the Gmail or any other email app. So we need a tool to track the email that we send. So we want to know whether the person has actually opened the email and read the message that we have sent to him. For example, if I have just got a very big deal and I have just emailed some important message to my client. At the time, we will be so curious to know whether the person has actually received the message or not. So, tracking the email is very important. We should know whether the person has actually opened it or not. If you are a freelancer or entrepreneur, then you may be using email marketing tool to track the email that you have sent. But for the normal person like me, I don't think email marketing is that necessary. So I just need a small tool which can help me to know whether the email has actually been read by the person or not. So in that case, you can use a Chrome extension. I have just found that extension recently, and I will explain you how to add that extension and make use of that extension. You have to just click this apps option in the Chrome browser, and when you just click that, the different Chrome apps will be displayed here, and you have to click the web store. And when you just click the web store, it will display all the apps and the extension that can be added to the Chrome browser. All these apps and extension can improve the performance of your Chrome browser. Whether it may help you to record the screen, it may help you to translate the complete page. So I have actually found that mail tracker in the featured section, and this is what the mail tracker which I was talking about. It's a mail track extension. You have to just click on add to Chrome in order to add that extension for your Chrome browser. Click on add extension. Here you can see at the bottom the extension is being downloaded, and after the extension has downloaded, it will open a new tab where you have to sign in or sign up to the mail track account. So you have to just click on connect with Google and give some access to this mail track website. So just click on connect with Google and allow everything that it asks. And after you just give access to that mail track extension, then here you will be landing over a page like this where the different plans for the mail track are being shown to you. First one is a free, and the other plans are monthly, quarterly, and yearly plans. And here bottom at the bottom you can just find what is the difference between the free and the pro plan. There are different features which you can unlock when you purchase a pro pack, but for me unlimited tracking is what I need, and it is available with the free version. And if you want other features to be added to your Gmail account, then you have to just purchase a pro plan. I'll just go by clicking this option saying sign up for free. And now when I click on go to Gmail, it has just opened my Gmail account, and here all the emails are present. The extension is available at the top. So for the free version of this email mail track extension, there is no advantages present in the inbox section. The advantages are only in the send section. So when I just click on the send section, and here I have found the different emails that I have sent. But here the thing that you have to observe is that even though the emails have already been sent and they are read by different people, only two ticks are being shown here. The reason why this is because this was sent before MailTrack was actually added. So all these emails were sent by me when I have not actually added the MailTrack extension. So let me compose a email now. I'll just track that email after sending it with a mail track. When I have just clicked this compose button, it has opened this pop-up where I have to type the email and send. Then here by default a message is being shown here. Sender will be notified by mail track. This ad will be shown to the receiver when he actually opens this email. If you want to disable this ad, then you have to purchase a premium plan. So when you click on remove, then it will open a pop-up where it will offer you the different plans and says that if you want to remove the mail track signature, then you have to purchase a pro plan. So I will just don't click this remove button. Instead, I will just type an email and send. And now let us see while tracking whether it actually works or not. I have just sent the email, and here at the top you can see that the email has been sent. So after the person has just read my email, then the two ticks will be filled with the green color, and you will get a notification from Chrome in the Chrome browser from MailTrack saying that the email has been read. So this is an advantage from the MailTrack extension, and you can also use the MailTrack on your mobile phone if you have a pro plan.